In this video, we will see a very interesting chess trap. White starts with pawn to e4. Black plays pawn to d5. This is a Scandinavian defense. Here the most popular move is e takes d5 followed by queen takes d5, knight to c3 hitting the queen. However, we are not going for this line. Instead plays the move knight to f3, giving up this free pawn on e4. So black captures this pawn. Now we go knight g5, attacking this pawn. Now, black defends it with knight to f6. Now again, white challenges with the move pawn to d3. So we could see that e4 pawn is challenged two ways. So black plays e takes d3. Now white plays bishop takes d3. Now most beginners play this mistake here. In this position, many beginners play the move pawn to h6. They want to kick off this knight on g5. However, this is a blunder and loses on the spot. Here comes the brilliant move, knight takes f7. Now we are threatening the queen, also the rook at the same time. So if king takes this knight, then it's a completely lost position because of the move bishop to g6. Now remember, the king cannot go to here, which is the only square which was protecting the queen, and can only go to either of these squares. So wherever you go, if you go here, you lose the queen, queen takes queen. Now again, if you go king to e6, again queen takes queen. What a brilliant combination.